Your muscles. Where are your muscles? Cooper. Can I see your muscles? Where are your muscles? Let's see your muscles. Brody, you have big muscles?
No.
Cooper, do you? Do you have big muscles? Let me see them. Let me see your muscles. No. You have big ones? Oh! Those are so big. Oh, wow! Do you have big muscles? Cooper's still showing off his muscles. Whoa! You crack me up, kid.